Extract Metadata is compliance software for a specific operational decision. Extracts structured metadata from regulatory documents including publication dates, document types, issuing authorities, and reference numbers. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that compliance teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Extract Metadata narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Extract Metadata starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include document text, date recognition mode, authority confidence threshold, reference pattern set, and validate dates against realistic ranges. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies extract the primary publication date from the document text by analyzing date patterns, proximity to titles, and contextual indicators, then validate against realistic date ranges, classify the document type by comparing text patterns against known regulatory document categories, and selecting the best match with sufficient confidence, identify and normalize the issuing authority name based on frequency in text, positional weight, and contextual indicators, filtering by confidence threshold, extract all reference numbers matching the selected pattern set, deduplicate them, and rank by prominence in the document, and extract geographical jurisdiction from the document text based on explicit mentions, implicit indicators, and alignment with issuing authority when enabled. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how compliance teams actually make decisions. Extract Metadata returns structured outputs such as publication date, document type, issuing authority, extraction confidence, and extraction confidence matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Extract Metadata is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated compliance work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.